Room with beautiful view, apartment with 2 room and everything very new, and the view is beautiful. Centrally located. Very nice location and clean room. Located just a few minutes drive to Whale Watch. A little bit inconvenient for us to be given a room on the 2nd floor, since we have heavy luggage. However, the room is very big and comfy, so it's just fine after settling in. Nice and value for money place. The room is very clean and big, full equipped with kitchen. We enjoy our stay very much. Exceptional clean, close to town and beach, thumbs up. Exceeded expectations. The room was even better than expected. The photos didn't do it justice. Clean, large room. Spa bath was great. Thanks. Great value for money, will be back. Smile. Exceptional great view of the snow-covered mountains. Wonderful room, just one night wasn't enough. It was a treat to stay here. The room was perfect for our family of 4. Immaculately presented. Although not a waterfront view, we had a fantastic view of the Kaikoura Alps. Very convenient to walk or drive to the main street. Good layout like a home. The place is new and most importantly kept clean. We found it's easy to prepare meals there too, though we prefer not to have the master bed to be same place with kitchen, dining and living. However, most accommodations with our requirements for 4 adults are built with such layout cause the AC cum heater is there. Thank you for accommodating our request to have a view for our balcony. Very comfy. Stayed here for one night, very close to town. The apartment is clean and has nearly everything you need. It is on the pricey side, but you get what you pay for. The furniture is nicer than most motel/apartment type accommodation, and the many pay TV channels as well. TVs in both bedrooms and another TV in the living area. Very good living area, very small uncomfortable lounge furniture.